Welcome to the SND College of Engineering, Yeola. In today's lecture, we see some examples on the chain rule for the partial derivative. So here, see the example first. If phi is equal to f of x, y, z, and x, y, z are defined as x is equal to square root of vw, y is equal to square root of uw, and z is equal to square root of uv. Then we have to prove here x into dabba phi by dabba x plus y into dabba phi by dabba y plus z into dabba phi by dabba z is equal to u into dabba phi by dabba u plus v into dabba phi by dabba v plus w into dabba phi by dabba w. So we have to prove the result. For that, we write the given function. Here the solution is, consider the given function phi, which is a function of the xyz, and xyz are the function of the variable u, v and w. So here we draw the chart for this composite function. Phi is a function of x, y, z, and x, y, z are the function of u, v, w. So phi becomes the composite function of the variable u, v and w. So dabba phi by dabba u is given by dabba phi by dabba x into dabba x by dabba u plus dabba phi by dabba y into dabba y by dabba u plus dabba phi by dabba z into dabba z by dabba u. So here we substitute the partial derivative, that is dabba x. From the given things we get the partial derivative of x with respect to u, which is 0, partial derivative of x with respect to v, which is 1 upon 2 root v into w, and the partial derivative of x with respect to w we get v upon 2 root v into w. Similarly, we find all the partial derivative dabba y by dabba u, dabba y by dabba v, dabba y by dabba w, dabba z by dabba u, dabba z by dabba v, and dabba z by dabba w. So next, we'll substitute this partial derivative in the chain rule. So we get dabba phi by dabba u is equal to dabba phi by dabba x into 0, that is, which is a derivative dabba x by dabba u, dabba phi by dabba y into dabba y by dabba u, and plus dabba phi by dabba z. This one is a partial derivative dabba phi by dabba u. So multiply by u. So by multiplying u on both sides, so we get this one, and we denote this equation as a equation number 1. Similarly, we find dabba phi by dabba v by using the chain rule, that is dabba phi by dabba v is equal to dabba phi by dabba x into dabba x by dabba v plus dabba phi by dabba y into dabba y by dabba v plus dabba phi by dabba z into dabba z by dabba v. So here we substitute all these partial derivative. So next, by multiplying v on both sides we get the equation, and we denote this equation as equation number 2. Similarly, we differentiate phi with respect to w, and we get the next equation, which is w into dabba phi by dabba w is equal to this one, and we denote this equation as equation number 3. So adding equation 1, 2 and 3, and by solving we get our required result, u into dabba phi by dabba u plus v into dabba phi by dabba v plus w into dabba phi by dabba w is equal to x into dabba phi by dabba x plus y into dabba phi by dabba y plus z into dabba phi by dabba z. So hence the result is